So could you give me a little bit more on what I'm looking at here and explain how you came up with the category of risk?
So we took our mechanical drawings and our life safety documents and we put it on a floor plan, and it lays out what air handler touches what specific rooms. And then from there we put it on a spreadsheet.
Based off the NFPA 99 guidelines, we had actually came up with our spreadsheet using our maps, and on our spreadsheet we put the room numbers and the room usage on there. NFPA 99 guides us to what each category is, and based off those categories we define what category or risk that we use for each of these rooms. So Cat 1 is our high risk, Cat 2 is our medium to low risk, Cat 3 is our comfort areas, and Cat 4 is no risk or no impact to patient or employees.
And here we helped guide what we would be doing each risk based on our mechanical, electrical, and plumbing equipment. You see on top you have our HVAC reference, and we do our category 1, which is in controlled environment, category 2, controlled environment with medium low risk, and category 3, which is code required, but it's for comfort, and then category 4, which is required, but there's no impact to patients as well. And then we have our electrical reference, which is category 1, critical care rooms, category 2, which is general care rooms, and then category 3, which is basic care rooms, and then category 4, support rooms. And then we also have emergency power, which is different from normal power. And we have category 1, which is required, high risk, category 2, which is required, not high risk, and then category 3, which is not required, and it's for convenience and comfort. And then we have our med gas references here, which is category 1, critical care rooms, category 2, general care rooms, category 3, basic care rooms, and then category 4, support rooms.
Okay, so I get an idea now of how you're doing the process, but as I take a look at this completed sheet, I see that not only are you referencing the chapters, but you're also taking a look at waterborne pathogens, which is a best practice inclusive of all the mechanicals. That's excellent.
Yes. So our method of doing this is once we defined the categories, we went back to our sheets and we risk ranked each room. From there, we looked to see if we had any med gas and see if we had any emergency power versus normal power. And from there, we went to our spreadsheets and filled all that out. And once we did that, the next steps that we did was we risk ranked each room based on the category from NFPA and what the room usage is.
Okay, so I noticed that you included waterborne pathogens with this process instead of it being separate on its own with infection control. This is a best practice because not everyone includes the water system. So that's excellent.